Hello and welcome to Michelle's video. So today we're going to look at column vectors, and they're not called this normally. This is what I call them, travelling vectors. Okay, so let's start off with this column vector. Normally when we see sort of coordinates, we see it as in -2 and 4, and that would be x and that would be y. Well, a common vector is actually in a column. So we would see -2 and 4. And we can do lots of things with this. We can add, we can subtract, we can divide, we can multiply. But let's look at the add and subtract and multiply. So we could also have another column vector of 7 and -2. Now on previous videos we have looked at negative numbers. So -2 plus 7 gives us 5. And 4 plus -2. Don't forget the plus and the minus makes a minus. So 4 plus minus minus. 4 minus 2 equals 2. So that's our answer. Very, 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 very simple. If this was a minus, let's just, I don't know, let's just pick one. -3 and 8. -4 and -2. Okay, to go for the top, -3 minus minus. What does a minus and a minus make? Well, it's a plus. So we've got -3 plus 4. -3 plus 4 is 1. And then we've got 8 minus minus. Minus and a minus makes a plus. They're together. 8 plus 2 is 10. And that's our answer. Okay. We could also do, okay, let's work that out. We could also look at another one where it says, and I've got a piece of paper in my hand all written out for you. So let's say A equals 3, 8. Oh, got a line there, don't need a line. 3, 8. And B equals -7 and 2. And let's say the question says, what is 2A plus B? Well, we need 2 lots of these. So this is how I'd set it out. I would go 2 times 3, 8 is therefore 2 times 3 is 6. Oh, no, that's clear for you. 2 times 8 is 16. So that's our 2A bit plus B. B's here. -7 and 2. And then we do it like we did before. 6 plus and a minus makes a minus. 6 minus 7 is -1. And 16 plus 2 is 18. Yeah? Nice and easy. So all that is previous knowledge about multiplying, adding and subtracting negative and positive numbers. Looking at your algebra, 2A means 2 times A, and here's A. Substitution. So all of that is about prior knowledge. So at the end of this video, I will be setting out some questions on that. Now, we're going to look at travelling vectors. Now, it's not called this, but I like to call it this because I like to think of it as a motorway or road or some kind of travelling system. So what you might have is something like this. I'll try and make it nice and clear for you. D, 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 D. A, B, C, D. And then you might have A, going that way, and travelling that way. So you might see that. Now, on the outside is always your capital letters. That's the way it is, okay? And that it will ask you some questions in a minute. These lines within there are always little letters. And it might ask you something like A to C. A to C. You've got to go through the roundabout. Okay, so you're a car and you're starting at A because that's what it's telling you to, and you've got to get to C. You can't go around here. These are your vectors within here. So you've got to get to A to C the quickest way by going through this road system here. And this is the direction it's telling you must travel in. Okay, so sometimes we're going to go down a one-way street by the looks of it. Okay, and that is wrong. That is negative. So let's have a look. So A is here, C is here. Got to go through this point here. So I'm going to travel one lot of negative, because that arrow, I'm not sure if you can see it perfectly clear, arrow is going that way and I'm going that way, then it's a negative. So that is therefore negative A. I don't need to put 1A, as you previous knowledge. Okay, so I've travelled one road. Now this is still A, it's still the line. Okay, it's still the line. So that is negative A. So actually, I've got two lots of negative A. So, okay, let's think. Don't forget, this is the roundabout. This is your 1 point. Let's have a look. AD. Let's have a look at AD. AD. Right, okay. Right. Definitely negative A to my point. Negative A. Hold on a minute. Now, D, I've got to get to D. At D. So I'm going, I'm going the right way now. So it's plus, I'm only going 1 plus B. So it really is where you're travelling to. Okay. Let's have a look at AB. AB. Well, A into the middle, that's negative. I'm travelling the wrong way. So that's negative A. Wait, now I'm going here. Well, let's copy that arrow. Same one. If I'm going that way, I'm going negative. So it's negative B. So it's kind of like a little road system that we've got going there. We could start from C. We could start from C to B. So C, look, I'm travelling the right way now. One lot. But I'm travelling a negative, so it's 1A, because I'm on the A line. Okay, 1A. And then, because I'm going towards A, and then I'm going towards B, so that is negative B. Had to think that. So it's all good. Which way are you travelling? If you're travelling against the arrow, it becomes a negative. If you're travelling to following the arrow, then it's a positive. Which one would be positive? This one. BD is therefore 1, 2, and we're on the B line, so it's 2B. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay? If you think about it as a road, and this is your roundabout, and every time you get to that roundabout, it's 1. Okay? So that's 1, that's 2. You've got 4 kind of roads there, haven't you? And which way are you travelling? Hopefully that helps a little bit. Let's put some questions up then. Yeah, let's rub that all out there. Right, let's put some questions up for you. So, let's do add first. Let's do -3 plus 6, 4. There's 1. Let's do another number. -1 and 3 plus -2 and 4. Okay, let's do some minuses. 7 and 3 minus 3 and 1. And let's do -4 and 3. Oops, funny looking 3. -6 and 4. Let's do A equals 2, 4, and B equals -3 minus 5. So I want you to find 2A plus B. Using these, let's just mark that off for you. Yeah. Using these, 2A plus B, and you can find A minus 2B. Ooh, that one might be nice. Then, let's just cut that off for you a bit. Then, using this shape here, keep it very similar. There's our dart. Hopefully you can see that arrow nice and clear. Hopefully you can see that arrow's nice and clear. Find me, A, B, C, and D. I'm going to make this one A and this line here B. Find me A, B. Find me D, B. Find me A, C. Find me B, C. So if you're unsure, look back at the video, okay, and have a go. We've covered that, and we've covered that. So have a go. Good luck, and I'll check your answers at the end of the week. Okay, nice to see you all again. Take care. Bye.